Greetings, Mark Brown here. We're going to be looking at how we can group these photos right here in our Microsoft Word document. Very important. How we're going to group all of these. You notice each time I click, you notice, click. First thing you wanted to do, you want to hold on the Shift key. So when you hold on Shift key, you just keep click on all of them and highlight all of them just like that. Now you want to come right up here. Notice it's a format up here. You want to click on Word format. And if you notice right here with the orange right here, so this is a group. You notice right here is a group. When I click it, you notice there's a box come around everything. So if I put the cursor right here, you notice everything moves so far. I can actually come like this. I can actually size it down. Just the same. So this is where actually group photo right here in the Microsoft Word document. Remember, share, like, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.